As an accountant for several consulting firms, I often see that many firm owners wait until tax season to hire an accountant that specifically is there to complete their taxes. Is this you? Now, the problem with this is that they are missing out on huge tax saving and money improvement strategies because they are operating reactively instead of proactively. Well, in this episode, I am going to share with you a story that breaks down the when, who, what, and why to hiring an accountant for your growing 6- and 7-figure consulting firm. Stay tuned.
Welcome to Say Yes to Profits. Here at Say Yes to Profits, we help consultants build million-dollar firms while tripling their cash flow and profits without stress, struggle, or burnout. Now, our goal is to make you smile when you log into your bank account because you have more money, more profits, and you're paying less taxes. So subscribe, follow, and listen up. And as a result, we will make it rain money in your business. Now join me on the path to say yes to profits.
Hello everyone, I am Octavia, CEO of Say Yes to Profits and a virtual CFO for consultants who desire to have more money, more profits, and pay less taxes. In this episode, we're going to break down if you should hire an accountant and when should you hire an accountant. Matter of fact, we're going to go over how to determine if you need an accountant. When a consulting firm delays the process of hiring an accountant, they hinder the growth of the firm, period. Let me paint a picture for you. Let's say that you are a small boutique firm called the best marketing firm ever, and you generate around $300,000 in annual revenue. Not bad. Well, after covering your expenses, the net profit on your profit and loss statement is $125,000. Still not bad. Now it's time to file your taxes. And the results are a tax bill, tax liabilities, of $19,125. Now that is bad. You worked all year to earn $300,000 and to generate a net profit only to pay the IRS 15.3%. That is horrible. And where they do that at? Honestly, a lot of consulting firms do that. Unfortunately, if you're in this position, did not plan for such a huge tax bill. And you really don't have the money to cover the tax bill because the net profit on the bottom of your profit and loss statement is not matching the bank balance. And you're wondering what is going on. Oftentimes, this is a result of having money leaks and not having a solid financial management system in place. You see, if you're in this position or you know someone in this position, if you would have hired an accountant a year ago, you could have developed a tax savings plan along with a financial management and accountability system that could have cut your business taxes to zero. Yes, zero. The truth is, I see this story play out in real life more times than I care to admit. You see, there are often money leaks and missed tax deductions and cash flow shortages that if someone in that position would have operated their business proactively, would have hired an accountant, a great accountant at that, this would have never occurred. To position your consulting firm for more money, more profits, and to pay less taxes, you must proactively operate your firm. I cannot stress that enough. You must plan for every penny that you are going to earn and forecast the outcome continuously. When you partner with an accountant, they are going to take on this job for you, but they're going to consistently inform you, coach you, and guide you on what you should and should not do concerning your finances, so that when it's time to pay your taxes, you don't have a tax bill or it is as low as possible. When it's time to look at your financial reports, you see a net profit at the bottom of your profit and loss statement, and you also see money in your bank account. As a matter of fact, I recently had a client tell me that they have more money in their bank account than they've ever had in their 13 years of operating their firm. You see, it's easier than you think to have more money and more profits and pay less taxes in your business. Why do you think I say it a lot? You have to partner with the right accountant or virtual CFO that can provide the blueprint and hold you accountable and provide financial expertise that will help you make your business dream a reality. So I want to give you a couple of pointers so that you can identify if it's time for you to hire an accountant. Are you where you want to be from a revenue, cash flow, and profit position? Did you recently or have you ever paid a super higher than normal tax bill? Do you feel that there are money leaks in your business? Do you feel like you're doing everything that you can do to grow your firm, but you've reached a growth or financial ceiling? Are you earning 6 or 7 figures, but it often seems like you have no figures in your bank account? And do you log into your accounting system and you're like, what is this? I don't understand what's going on. I see these numbers on the financial reports, but I don't know what they mean. Are you looking at your financial reports and you see that you have a pretty nice net profit, and then you look into your bank account and you see that it's not even half what it should be? These are key indications that it is time for you to partner with a virtual CFO. Please understand that it's never, ever, ever too early to hire an accountant. Hiring an accountant will help you keep track of everything that's going on in your business. And you want to hire an accountant that have proven that they can help you. They have testimonies and referrals from previous clients or current clients that can show that they are familiar with your business and your industry. Okay? You want to hire an accountant that is willing to educate you on how to leverage your numbers to scale your business faster, smarter, and consistently. And let me be clear here. Do not hire an accountant that only looks at you as another tax return or an invoice. And if they start the conversation like this, run! And if you have an accountant that just hands you financial reports without educating you on what the numbers mean and how to use this information to scale your company, run! If you hire an accountant, and I may step on a few accountant toes here, sorry, but not sorry. But if you hire an accountant, they should not bill you each and every time you talk to them. As a matter of fact, if you hire an accountant and they operate from an hourly rate, run! Bottom line, your accountant should help you have more money and more profits consistently. They should care about the success of your firm as they care about the success of their business. As a matter of fact, they succeed when you succeed. That's the right accountant for you. For more business and money tips, download my More Money, More Profits checklist in the link below. Also, register for our upcoming virtual lunch and learn. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well and post your comments and questions below. This is Octavia Conner. Until next time, say yes to profits. Toodaloo!